Welcome back to our channel.
1,234 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. On paper, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire is the undisputed new king of electric sedans. They make huge promises, incredible power, supercar speed, and real luxury. But specs aren't everything. It must prove itself on the road against tough rivals. Today, we find out if it lives up to that hype. Does it really have what it takes to dethrone the others and claim the crown? Let's find out. The Sapphire still looks like a Lucid Air at first, with the same smooth, futuristic shape that makes it one of the most aerodynamic sedans in the world. But look closer, and you can see it's more powerful and muscular. The front end is more aggressive, with bigger air intakes to cool the three motors and huge brakes. The rear diffuser is larger too, helping keep the car stable at high speeds. Its exclusive sapphire blue metallic paint is inspired by America's historic racing color, giving it a deep, rich look. The car has special staggered wheels, 20 inches in front and 21 in back, fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Behind them are massive carbon ceramic brakes, including 16.5-inch front rotors, necessary for stopping a 5,300-pound sedan with this much power. It doesn't need big wings or loud vents. It's confident, like a supercar in a sharp business suit. Step inside, and the story gets even better. Lucid didn't remove comfort for performance. They improved both. This is the exclusive Sapphire Mojave interior, featuring 18-way power sport seats in black leather with sapphire blue stitching and Alcantara details. They're not just supportive, they're heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage, showing Lucid's belief that luxury should always stay. The rest of the cabin mixes sportiness with space. There's carbon oak trim, Alcantara on the steering wheel and headliner, and the open, airy feeling Lucid is known for. Thanks to the long wheelbase and flat floor, the back seats offer real comfort for adults, unlike many competitors. The tech is the highlight. A 34-inch curved glass cockpit display runs Lucid's Dream Drive Pro system, keeping everything simple and easy to use. And the 21-speaker Surreal Sound Pro system makes the cabin feel like a first-class lounge. The Lucid Sapphire uses 3 electric motors, making 1,234 horsepower. It can hit 60 miles per hour in 1.89 seconds and run a quarter mile in 8.95 seconds. Launch mode is easy and feels explosive. Its twin rear motors improve cornering, making this big sedan impressively quick and agile. The Sapphire handles corners amazingly well thanks to its track-tuned suspension, special drive modes, and strong torque vectoring. Even with stiff springs, the ride stays smooth and refined. On twisty roads, it feels balanced and confident, with precise steering and powerful carbon ceramic brakes that stop hard without fading.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic.
The Sapphire stands out because it's a hypercar you can actually use every day. Unlike most supercars, it solves the biggest problem, range. It can go up to 427 miles on a single charge, more than most electric cars, even regular ones. Charging is fast too, thanks to its 900-volt system, adding about 200 miles in just 15 minutes at a DC fast charger. Starting in 2026, Lucid Airs can also use Tesla's supercharger network, giving even more options. It's practical too. There's a huge trunk, a spacious front, and 5 usable seats. The Dream Drive Pro system adds advanced driver assistance with 32 sensors, including LiDAR, for features like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Some highways even allow hands-free driving. The Sapphire isn't just a weekend toy, it's a high-performance car designed for real-life use. So, let's circle back to the big question. Is the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire the new king? The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT is a true driver's car, a marvel of engineering that feels more connected to the road. It's a very close competitor, but it sacrifices a significant amount of range and passenger space to achieve its track-focused goals. The Lucid Air Sapphire doesn't ask you to make those compromises. It delivers the hypercar acceleration to challenge a Plaid, the handling and engineering depth to rival a Porsche, and a level of luxury and practicality that neither can truly match. It is, quite simply, the car that does it all. So, is it the new king? Yes. The Lucid Air Sapphire doesn't just sit on the throne, it has built a whole new one. What do you think? Is the Sapphire the undisputed king of performance EVs? Or do the Plaid's value or the Taycan's driving purity still hold a claim? Let me know down in the comments.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.